Hello, infinite monkeys. Yes, we did write the works of Shakespeare. Yeah, and that episode of Hollyoaks where Bomber thought his best friend's dad was a ghost. No, we're writing the old guff. Infinite? In this economic climate? No, there's only 4 of us now. And Alan in accounts. You want us to write something for you?
Hello everyone, I hope you're both well. We've got a new project coming up based around animals, so I thought we'd have a little brainstorming session. So what first springs to mind when you hear the word animal? Anyone?
Drummer from the Muppets.
You're a Muppet.
At least I'm making an effort. Don't see you coming up with any genius ideas.
All right then, Claudia, my love, can I borrow your pen?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Just gonna bring him up there and then. Yes.
What is that?
That, Claudia, is a massive cock.
And balls, don't forget the balls.
Oh yeah, the balls make all the difference.
I'm not really sure what these genitals really have to do with animals.
Well, in my experience, Claudia, a lot of animals do actually have genitals.
Nice.
Well, I don't think this is quite what they're looking for. I think they're after something a little less wangy. Something about maybe how cats and dogs behave differently to one another.
Claudia, cats and dogs behave differently because they're different animals. Anyway, don't blame Gaz. He's a bonobo. All he thinks about is shagging.
True that.
Look, this is the first bit of writing we've had since the remake of Total Recall. I'd rather not lose it.
Claudia, you're overcomplicating things. What's the first thing that pops in our head when we think about animals? We are animals. We should write about ourselves.
Hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a capuchin. I'm enthusiastic, energetic and excitable. I don't usually believe in astrology, but in my case it's so true. I usually write for magazines. Dancing the Loneliness Away and Take a Break was just one of my... They're messing around behind me, aren't they? You utter
I'm Gaz, and I like shagging. What you wanted more? Never neglect the balls.
What? I'm not doing it. Look, you're not filming me, right? 20? Alright, a tenner. Hi, I'm Cheryl. I like WKD Blue, the films of Jason Statham and Cheryl Cole. Money.
Do you know what hell is? Sartre said that hell is other people. He was partly right. Hell is infinity with other people. It was fine in the beginning. We had infinite monkeys. You could meet new people, exciting people every day. And we had purpose. Write the complete works of Shakespeare. Didn't matter that Shakespeare had already written them. But then came computers. You don't need infinite monkeys when you've got spell check. So one by one they left. Curious George went into porn and became bi-Curious George. Donkey Kong couldn't even get a job because of his anti-Italian stance. And as for Bubbles, oh, we all know what happened there. And now there's just us. an over-enthusiastic go-getter, a lazy slag, and an ape who gets turned on by pot plants.
Yeah, but they are pretty sexy, aren't they? Pub.
Pub.
What's he professor of?
Children.
Of children?
Yeah.
Massive nonce.
Yeah. Kate Cross, director, The Egg Theatre.
No, Egghead.
I'm not usually a believer in mythology, sorry.